Hey everyone, I got myself a new toy. It's a Gyro Ball hand exerciser. It's made by, well, I ordered it from Gyro Ball, but Gyro Ball hand exerciser, right? So it's got a gyroscope in there, right? And it has a spring-loaded thing to start it. So try to see if you can see it in the video. Oh, all right, there you go. See those two arrows? If I take my thumbs and rotate it in the same direction as those two arrows, it loads up a spring, all right? And then I let it go, and I get it rolling. And it took me a couple of days to figure this out. I had to find just the right video. But as you can see, and maybe hear, now it's probably doing 10,000, 15,000 RPM right now. This is a pretty good workout, let's just say. But just to show you, it does work once you figure out the right motion. And I went through like 22, 23 videos trying to find somebody that could explain the trick to get it working. And the best answer I got was from this guy who said basically you want to, let's let that slow down, start with the ball upright. It's easier to deal with and manage with the ball upright. Yeah, now it's too slow. I'm not gonna. I mean, I might be able to, but it's slowed down too much. I'd have to spring start it again, which is fine. But the idea is you pretend there's a laser beam pointing straight out of here, and you're drawing circles with it on the ceiling, right? I was going like this, you know, no, it's got to be like you're drawing circles on the ceiling with the laser beam, right? Or like you're swishing wine around in a glass, right? The stem's going like that. That will make it speed up. Just going, nah, won't do anything. But it does work. It's tricky to figure out. It's harder to do with your non-dominant hand unless you're ambidextrous. I don't know, but for me, I have a little bit tougher time with my left, but I'm starting to get it down with my left hand. And it comes with the lanyard, which you want to put that lanyard on because if this thing goes flying, it's going to go flying, but good. And then it comes with the instruction booklet, which the instruction booklet wasn't that great as far as whatnot, but it's not super expensive. Um, if you look, you can find a better deal than I did. I found them for $9.99. I think I paid like 28 for this one, but I don't care. It's worth it, and it comes with a um, uh, case, like a cover for it, so you can put it in there. But just to say, it actually does work. It's a pretty good workout. I don't know if it's like a miracle cure for, like all your hand ailments that they're talking about. It's probably good for physical therapy. I know at least one person was given one for physical therapy. He told me about that after I told him I got it. And but it does work. It's a good workout. I've already done my quota for the day, and I would like to not. Um, in other words, I need to stop now and let my wrist live to gyro another day. But yeah, it's fun. Lights up when you get it going good, and it's a lot of fun. Sounds like a little jet engine and stuff, but it's definitely a good workout on your hands, forearms, biceps, um, all of it. So enjoy.